iOS 26 beta 5 has been released and has been updated on my device. So I want to give you guys what's new about this iOS 26 beta 5. I want to give you some features I've just discovered about this new project. So the first thing I want to talk about is this build number, that is version number that end with 23A5308G. This very first thing that you notice here, guys. And while updating this particular update, guys, on my device, it takes around 3.5 gig to update, and the update is very fast. I mean, super fast. Not only that, guys. So I want to give you some of the things that I've seen in this new update that since I've been using it. So that is why this video is really for you guys. So you have to watch it to the end so that you yourself have access to one or two things about this new design. The first thing I want to talk about is when you lock the phone and you on it like this, then just open it, you're going to see kind of popping up that comes up as in kind of animation that just pop up when you load the screen and unload the screen again without providing your face ID. You just see the pop up that just come up, guys. This is a very cool feature that just been released on this new iOS 26 beta 5. So this was not released on the 4 of this iOS. So this is a new feature. Another important thing that I've said that is this particular feature is very clear in nature. The kind of glass that comes out, guys, there's a lot of improvement on the glass. If you take a look at what you see on the screen, this is very cool. So another important feature that I discover on this is from the control panel. If you just swap from the control panel like this, you're going to see that the kind of animation that just pop up, and this animation is highly conspicuous. You can easily see that the animation is powerful. And guys, this is not on the former version, that is beta 4, but now on beta 5 the animation is very glaring. Not only that, guys, on beta 5 there is another important information that I just released on beta 5. Even when you scroll down to this control center, then this particular button, if you tap on in this record button, you see that here is called local capture. Record your own audio and video during the call to save and edit later, guys. You can now edit, you can as well record only audio by tapping on this, and this was not on the previous version. It was not like this on the previous beta version. This is beta on the beta 4, but on beta 5, guys, it has been introduced. This is a very good one that you can literally try and use on your own device. Then that setting has just been introduced on the camera, guys. This particular feature is amazing. If you try and open the camera, you see before, guys, this is not like this. You can see as you swipe down, the settings move along, and this can be changed now from the settings. This is a very good feature that you can try it out on your own. So go to the settings. Once you tap on the setting, then go to the camera, tap on camera, then scroll down to the base. You can see, guys, this button has introduced, that is mode switching. You can switch the mode of the camera on your device. So let's try it out by tapping on this button to switch it out. Now let's try it out. You can see that it goes along this way now, and before it was not like this. You can see how it looks like. So you can switch from this mode now to the other one on your device. This is a very good feature that you can as well try out on this iOS 26 beta 5 that has been using over the couple of days that has been released. So you can as well try it out and let me know what you feel about this new design. Then another important thing that I say about this new update is the mode fare number that's just been changed. So let's go and see that. Go to the settings. So from the setting again, go and tap on general. So under general, tap on about, then scroll down here. You see mode fare modem, that is modem firmware. So you see 0.02.02. This number has been changed. So yours might not be exactly, but guys, the number has been changed, and this is a very new thing that iOS 26 beta 5 has introduced before the public beta release come next month. Another feature that's introduced on this that I love most is under the photo. So let's go and see the photo apps. If you tap on the photo apps, so you can see that you have just two buttons here, but as you scroll up again, the menu comes out, and as well as you continue scrolling up, guys, it brings out the glassy nature of a thing, which is very paramount here, is highly conspicuous as you scroll up and you see it here, guys. So this particular feature has been introduced. Then not only that, guys, there's another important thing that I want to share that has just been introduced on this platform. If you tap on this share button, then take a look at the Airdrop logo. It has been changed completely, guys. It has been redesigned. I mean, this is a very good one compared to the former one on iOS 26 beta 4. So as well, you can take a look at how it looks like from here. If you tap on this, then tap on this to own it, you see that this has been changed. This design has been changed. It's a very good feature about this. So this another thing that I've just discovered about this iOS 26 beta 5 is that when the battery of your device load to, let's say, 10% below, you're going to get notification here that tells you that the battery, I mean the device battery, is very low. So you have to take a look at that and let me know what you feel about this even when you try it out. Then there's another important thing that has just been coming out on this iOS 26 beta 5, which is on the music. Here you have the auto mix, you have the lyric transition and pronunciation, you have pin music to your library, then you have this replay mode. Not only that, guys, you have this search that just come out on this platform, so you can as well try it out to see how it looks like. Then the another important thing that I've just tried or that just feature on this is the note button. If you tap on the note button, guys, you're going to see, if you tap on the note button, this is what you literally see. The new note on Apple Watch, then you have an application toolbar, you have markdown export and import. So these are, that is what you likely see on the new version of iOS 26 beta 5. Another important feature that has just been introduced to the control center is this. Once you pull out the control center, you're going to have access to this place. Just tap and hold for a few seconds to open it, guys. Tap on this Wi-Fi button or tap on the Wi-Fi button. You're going to see some setting here. Here you're going to see important feature that just been released on this compared to the former version, which is on iOS 26 beta 4. But guys, on this new version, it has been introduced, that new version has been introduced, and new design has been given on this. Then another thing is on the Safari. If you scroll up like this on the Safari, you see that the button here disappear as you scroll up, and once you stop, then it brings out the menu button. As you can see, this is another important thing that you usually see on this new design of iOS 26 beta 5 on new iPhone or iOS updates. Guys, if you discover anything that need to add that is not on this list or the feature that I just discovered on iOS 26 beta 5, kindly drop it in the comment section. See you guys on our next video.